Amorians, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, we're making suya pie, not the regular minced beef pie. So if you love suya, I'm sure you're gonna love this recipe. It is pretty much straightforward, detailed, and this recipe will never fail you in as much as you follow the right steps. So we're gonna start with the suya filling. First thing you need to do is chop some carrots, some potatoes, and of course some onions. Next, you're gonna mince your suya. Preferably use leftover suya with some pepper. I used the yellow habanero pepper because it has this distinct aroma and flavor it adds to meal. So using your butcher mixed food processor, mince that a bit into tiny bits. Now in your pan, you're going to add some vegetable oil, those chopped onions, saute that for a bit, then go in with those chopped potatoes. The reason why I added the potatoes first is because the carrot cooks faster than potatoes, so please make sure you cook the potatoes first before adding the carrots. Now I'm gonna add some water, enough to cook my potatoes and also overall make the filling. I added some salt, seasoning, thyme, paprika, ginger, garlic powder, and some chili flakes just because I needed the heat in this filling. But if you're using pepper, normal fresh pepper, you can omit this. Now bring that to a bowl. Make sure your potatoes is at least 80%, or let me say 70% cooked. Add in that minced suya, add in your carrots, give it a good stir. Next thing you want to add is your suya spice. If you don't know what suya spice is, I'm gonna drop the recipe soon on this page, so stay glued. It is what you need to make your suya entirely. So add in flour to thicken the sauce or the filling. Mix that very well, ensure there are no flour lumps, and then cover and let it cook further for about 5 minutes, or let me say 8 minutes on low heat. Please, on low heat. And just like that, our suya filling is ready. You want it a bit saucy because it's gonna get thicker and more firmer as it cools. So you want it just like this. This is the right consistency you want. Now let's make the dough. So in your bowl, you're going to add 2 cups of flour and then equal amounts of butter, chilled butter. You're going to massage that butter into your flour until you have this crumbly like texture. Then you're going to go in with not a full quantity. I used 1 cup of water, but it wasn't full. I still had a little left, so not it wasn't a full 1 cup. So add in your chilled water, give it a good stir. Not stir, sorry, just keep mixing. As you can see, as I add in water until I achieve the consistency I want. So you want to make a firm dough. You just want to mix this until it comes together. You don't want to over knead this, because you don't want to get what was the right word to use. You don't want to activate the gluten. You don't want to end up with a pie that is not crusty and something like that. So just knead this very well, but do not over knead. Once it all comes together, all you need to do now is cover it with cling film and put in the refrigerator to chill for some minutes. You can do this while you work on your pie filling, or you can make the pie filling first, then do the dough, because obviously you need your dough to be chilled. At the same time, you want your pie filling to be cool. You shouldn't, add the filling to your pie dough while your filling is hot. So now you're going to cut your dough into the desired number of pies you want to make. Roll that with a little bit of flour, and then using your pie cutter, there are numerous shapes out there. Just use the one you have. You can also do this the manual way, the way we grew up watching our mothers make the pies. And then once you add that, just cover. I put too much filling in this. This is the beauty of homemade goodies, because you're gonna put as much as you like. Now just press that and remove the excess dough, and this is what we have, guys. Repeat the same process until you've exhausted all the dough and all the pie filling. Then we're gonna egg wash this and then bake in the oven till it's done. Egg wash is simply when you beat an egg and then you brush it on your pastries. This is what egg wash is. I'm gonna egg wash 5 and then I'm gonna leave the others so that you can see the difference. If you want your pies flaky with this beautiful golden color touch, please egg wash your pies. You can actually also omit egg washing if the person you're making this for doesn't like eggs. Yeah, you can totally omit that too. And just like that, our pies are ready. Look at that gorgeous pie. This opened because I put so much filling in it, but that's how I love my pie. This is the one we didn't egg wash, and this is the one we egg washed. You can see the difference. This looks more appealing. It is catchy, very nice, and this just look a bit dull, but yeah, overall it tastes amazing. The addition or the subtraction of the egg wash won't add anything. It's just for the glaze on top of your pies. So let's see what is inside. How the inside is looking. And guys, I will say this is one of, I wouldn't say number one, because I've been making, in fact I used to make pie for sale before. So this is like one of my best pies. It tastes absolutely amazing. The flaky crust, the means suya filling, everything just complements each other. It is so good and so nice, as you can see. So if you want to, preserve this, just let it cool down completely, put in ziploc bags and put in the freezer to freeze. You can just warm it anytime you want to enjoy this and enjoy. This is, by the way, the one that I didn't egg wash, and it's equally so nice. I hope you enjoyed the video. Bye.